Samsung One UI 9.0 official hands-on is here. Samsung has just released One UI 8.5 with the Galaxy S26 series. But surprisingly, an early One UI 9.0 build is already here, and we've now got our very first hands-on look at it. Based on Android 17, One UI 9 is currently in a very early stage of development, and it has been spotted running on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Max Jambor recently posted a video on X revealing this early build in action.
This is One UI 9 running on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung has only just released One UI 8.5 alongside the new Galaxy S26 series, but we've already managed to get our hands on an early build of the next software version. Now, this is a very early development build, so don't expect any major visual changes yet. Right now, the differences are pretty small. The volume and brightness controls are slightly larger, and parental controls have been moved out of the digital well-being menu and now appear as a separate section in settings. And that's basically all we can see for now, but we'll continue digging through the software to find more changes.
He mentioned that this is One UI 9 running on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And interestingly, Samsung has only just released One UI 8.5 alongside the new Galaxy S26 series, but he already managed to get hands-on with the next version. He also clarified that this is a very early development build, so we shouldn't expect any major visual changes at this stage. Right now, the differences are quite minimal. From what can be seen in the video, the volume and brightness controls appear slightly larger, and parental controls have been moved out of the digital well-being section and are now available as a separate option inside the settings menu. And honestly, that's pretty much everything noticeable for now. There are no major UI redesigns or big feature additions visible at this stage. At the moment, the update only brings minor tweaks, like slightly bigger sliders and small adjustments in the settings layout. However, this is just the beginning. Samsung has clearly started internal testing of One UI 9, and we can expect more features and changes to appear as development continues. A beta version of One UI 9 could arrive in the coming months, while the stable release is expected later this year, possibly alongside Samsung's upcoming foldable devices. So yes, the One UI 9 journey has officially started. This is just the first early look, and much bigger upgrades are likely on the way in future builds. That's it for today. What are your thoughts about this early One UI 9 hands-on? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.